Yeah, it's just raining.
We can't even do anything, so we're just sitting in the car driving around and we're exploring inside the car. We are basically in Fairmount Park. It's just too cold to go like beyond this bridge that we're in right now.
Just got back. We're gonna drop some stuff off. Oh, can you get my water bottle? Actually, I'll take it. He's dropping some stuff off, his camera stuff. Then we're probably just gonna go out, get some food, fill ourselves up.
We just found our way to Dim Sum Garden. The first thing we got here is pan-fried soup dumpling. See the soup inside? Very hot. Let me add some chili oil to this.
My first time trying pan-fried soup dumpling. I feel like it's really good.
You want to add some chili oils to yours?
Oh my
gosh, it's like all. And the next thing we have here is called a pork moon cake. Just cut this in half. Oh, it's very soft.
I feel like it's weird because with this kind of outside, this flaky outside, I'm always so used to it being like something sweet inside, but now it's like salty.
The next thing that we have on our menu are chicken on skewers. For $3.95, you get 4, and these are huge portions. They're very generous with the amount that they give here. Hot. Everything's hot. It's surprising because everything's so hot, yet they come out so fast. It's very juicy. Try one of this chicken skewer. Is that one hot? Do you think you need more sauce? I feel like they should have the option to see if you want it spicy or not, because it's just like one flavor, but it's really juicy.
Yeah, I don't think it needs sauce, but like having extra spicy stuff would just be good for it. It's really good.
Last but not least, we have our crab and pork soup dumplings.
Biggest difference is right now, they don't give us tongs, and I'm very used to that. What I like to do is I like to take a bite and then drink the soup.
There's so many ways to eat like soup dumpling, and this is one of the ways.
It's very hot, but it's good.
What she means by good is like it's flavorful.
Yeah, like you can actually taste soup flavor instead of like just random water or something.
Are you gonna add the vinegar? They're missing the ginger. I wonder if they would have it, but it's okay. With or without it. Dim Sum Garden is right here. And now we're about to head to Nanjo Han Po Noodle, which is right next door. We ended up coming right next door, which is Nanjo Han Po Noodle. Maybe it's handmade noodle. And first up, we got a appetizer of a cold platter with 3 types of meat. We got the brisket, the tendons, and the pig ears.
I like soft tendon, like the ones in the noodles, but oh well.
Is it salty?
I love tendon. Tendon's so good.
We had the options of getting a spicy or not spicy, but wasn't feeling spicy too. That's why I got not spicy. The tendon is very soft, and then we got this pig ear. It should be crunchy.
It's good.
Yep, it's crunchy. This is so much. If you think about it, this is a lot. Right under the thin layer of brisket, we have some pickled vegetable. Just to balance out the flavor.
This is what they always put with these kind of foods. Like they always add
the cold
like,
dishes, yeah.
Yeah, this is like always a staple.
Thank you. This is the house special noodles. So now let me show you what we have. I don't even know what we have in here. We have more brisket for sure. We got a meatball, pickle vegetable, and then the hand pulled noodles. Oh, look at how thin this is.
I like it.
It's so thin.
It's very hearty.
It's not salty, but it's hearty, like she said. It's like, it's also very clear too. So just think about all those flavors mixed together, and that's what the soup tastes like. You got like the hearty broth with a clear taste to it, and it's not salty, but it's also very flavorful. I think it's from all the meat.
This is a lot thinner than I really expected.
She went in for the first bite, and her reaction is about to be pulled out from her face. Soft? I'm pretty sure it's
Very
soft.
chewy. I like it. It's the type that if you leave it in the soup for a long time, it's not going to get soggy really quickly. So that's what I like.
So this is what we end up with. A little left of the appetizer. The noodle is all gone. How are you feeling?
So full.
Do you think I should end the vlog here? Because we already went through 2 restaurants that was right next to each other. We went to the park today. And it's starting to rain again, so.
Currently just walking around. I don't know, I feel so full, so walking around feels pretty good. And look! I love seeing like city buildings like those.
If you look at the sign, we've been to most of the places.
Yeah.
I don't think we vlogged everything. And now let's head towards Chestnut and Walnut shopping.
Okay. Chestnut and Walnut shopping. Your reading terminal market. What are we here for today?
I don't know.
Mostly just for sightseeing.
So I lied before about ending the vlog, you know, after Nanjo hand pulled noodle. We actually went to Reading Terminal. We got more Baylor's donut, and this time we got mocha cream. Emily actually wanted this, but we ended up getting salty caramel, right? So now we're gonna. Ooh, that was probably so loud. So now we're gonna try these mocha. It's just mocha donut, right?
Mocha cream.
Mocha cream.
So there's cream inside.
As we're eating this donut, it's the vlog is actually gonna end for real this time now. But here's the taste test. Look at that cream. She's going in, first bite. Thank you guys for watching again.
Huge bite.
I'm not gonna eat my donut with a fork and a knife.
Okay, fine. I'll eat it.
You are amazing. At least say you'll have to.
Oh!